Good Tuesday evening, everyone. Hopefully you were able to enjoy the beautiful weather out there today. We've got another good one coming for you Wednesday. We should continue to stay dry during the day on Wednesday. We'll have some increasing clouds and then rain chances gradually increase Wednesday night. But this system, as we talked about yesterday, it's not going to be a big deal for us here. And then as we go into Thursday, we'll start today with a few showers, but we'll dry things back out throughout the day. Breezy and cool conditions on Thursday. Friday looks wonderful, and then the weekend will come with a more active pattern. Here's a look at your low temperature forecast tonight. Expect temperatures to fall back to the 50s, so hey, you'll probably want another light jacket for tomorrow morning out there. It's going to be another beautiful start to our Wednesday, and a nice Wednesday expected, temperature of 76 degrees. That chance of rain really doesn't come till the overnight, mainly after midnight tomorrow night through about 9 a.m. Thursday, and then the rain exits. Will gradually clear the skies out Thursday afternoon. But boy, look at Thursday's temperature. About 10 degrees cooler, only 66 degrees. Very chilly. That's almost 20 degrees below average for this time of the year. And then as we go toward the weekend, as temperatures slowly warm, we increase that moisture and we increase the chance for storms. It all happens as a front starts to work in here on Saturday. We do have scattered storms in the forecast here Saturday, Sunday, all the way through Tuesday of next week. And all signs point to next week featuring several rounds of showers and storms. So that's why you definitely want to enjoy today's weather. As we go into the rest of the week here, enjoy the nice weather while it's here, because we'll turn more active as we go into next week. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have a great evening.